What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you all for subscribing. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about a little bit that is going on with some more uncertainty and fear in the markets. TRON, their stablecoin USDD, has lost its peg to the US dollar. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to get into why that is important, what more that could add to this big puzzle, and this snowball effect that we are getting with all of this fear and uncertainty and gloom in the markets, and how we could possibly end up seeing another crash due to this depegging. It's creating a domino effect across the market, and I just want to touch on a couple articles and then look at the chart and show you guys what's actually going on. So hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop your comments down below and where you see the USDD fallout headed if they actually do depeg. All right, so with that being said, let's get down into it. As I said, USDD has lost its peg. All right, so for those of you that don't know, Justin's son in TRON, this is the stablecoin of the TRON project. Okay, so it reached a level of 97 cents. Okay, and then what you have to realize with stablecoins is there's more than one stablecoins, okay? So when all of them, and they have their own ratios, and they're not in balance with each other to the US dollar, and you get one down, 97 out of a dollar, that is going to cause like a big question mark and make a lot of people wonder what is going on. So in this instance, you can see it was out of balance with USDD having only an 82.27% accounting, all right? So when you look at what's going on, what happened with FTX and stuff, this could be an indication that this is another one of the companies that does not have the correct collateral to back their stablecoin, which in fact you would see everybody pull out of USDD, everybody dump TRON, get out of the project, and it would just cause another massive crash across the crypto market as a whole. Okay, so you can see back here on November 8th when a whale exchanged 4.49 million USDD for 4.46 USDT. Okay, that was a ratio of 9.9935 cents. Okay, so when that happened, the stablecoin USDD lost its peg to the dollar. Okay, and it happened again on November 9th with 6.52 million. Okay, and when that happens, that has lost its peg. But what you have to realize about that is that was still a ratio that was higher than what we're seeing right now. Okay, so something is going on with TRON, something is going on with USDD. I'm sorry. So if you look at another article, BitBoy, who is a very, very vocal voice when it comes to all things crypto. So Ben Armstrong basically is saying to get out now in referring to TRON stablecoin. Okay, so he kind of, there was a little riff with him not getting the job at Ripple, and that being said, the people over there at Ripple, have no reason to feel any ill will towards Ben Armstrong, and David Schwartz, okay, kind of came out and said that BitBoy called this. All right. He was warning us about Sam Bankman-Fried before this even happened, okay? And now he is warning us about USDD. And then it depegged, okay? So losing its basically this collateral ratio is out of whack, and it's just not going to be something that is going to be healthy for TRON or USDD, okay? So the reason why this is happening, it is basically going to be something to do with the way that TRON is trying to do exactly what Sam Bankman-Fried did, and provide liquidity, okay, for what is happening when the TRON DAO reserve, okay, is trying to maintain its peg, okay? So they're selling collateral just as if Sam Bankman-Fried did yesterday when it came to FTX, okay? So if this collateral ratio fluctuates any further, you're going to see, all of the reserve assets that TRON is based upon also come down as well, as we saw with FTT and FTX, okay? So this is very unhealthy for the charts. It's going to keep developing, and, it's something that's been called, and a lot of people that have a lot more influential power in crypto than I do are also warning about Tron stablecoin. All right, so it's pretty safe to say that the Tron stablecoin is the next domino to fall in this network of crashes and uncertainty we're going to see in the near future, when now it seems to be that everybody's balance sheets are coming to the forefront in the way that these big coins were essentially hiding behind their collateral and claiming they have more assets than they actually do to back their ventures with capital and more investors coming into their exchanges and getting into their project. Okay, so it'll be interesting to see what happens to the USDD token if it continues to depeg. You could see something that similar to what we saw with basically the UST just going down basically to nil. So hopefully that doesn't happen. I really would hate for anybody involved with USDD and Tron to see such a disaster following disaster like it is shaping out to be. But here's the chart for USDD. You can see we're still at that 97-cent level. So I'm hoping it repegs. I'm hoping this was just, basically just somebody just kind of upset at their own situation, and they're just casting some shade on USDD. However, with these people really having nothing to lose by saying what they're saying, and then the DEPEG actually happens, it's definitely going to be something to monitor moving forward, because these claims are as baseless as they may seem. They would not be saying this stuff if there wasn't something to stand on. So I'm going to be following USDD. Let's hope it repegs, and let's hope for more stability in the markets. Just wanted to pass all this information on to you guys, and keep following for more updates. We'll have videos daily, and please subscribe, and we will see you guys all in the next video. Thank you for watching.